Steady on the ramp. Keep it straight. Almost there. Push on the trunk. Okay, stop. It's on. All right, bringing her down now. Easy does it. She's clear. All right, push. It's moving. Keep it steady. Almost there. Let's check the engine first. I'll get under and check the suspension. How's the undercarriage? Solid, no major issue. All right, doors coming off. Engine mounts are next. Careful with the wiring. Got it, looks solid. Frame's solid, but this rust is deep. Yeah, but the weld's held up. Let's check the cross members. Gently now, don't want to gouge it. Looks good, keep it even. Almost there, checking the curve. Engine's aligned, lowering now. Got it, looks good. Wheel next, torque to spec, on it. Alignment looks spot on.
Good, let's check the trim.
Perfect, ready for sign off.
Agreed, looks flawless.